I do want to move to this country, but I'm testing it first to see if it's the right fit for me. It's like, it feels like a war zone out here. Like, what happened? 2020 really humbled me. I feel like less is more. It really taught me that I don't need to have A through Z to feel successful, to feel beautiful. Whatever you don't heal from, whatever you don't take the time to reflect on and try to grow from, it's gonna follow you. I love myself too much to lose myself. In today's video, I am packing for my next trip. An umbrella, mini umbrella. I have a universal adapter. I thought I had two. It's somewhere in this pile. As a solo traveler, get you a power bank. This, I don't know what this is, to be honest, but we're gonna find out. Oh yeah, to store my accessories, my electronics and stuff. Got a mini flashlight. So I did research on this country. They do have random power outages, so I'm gonna need a flashlight. Somebody's trying to break in, they can't because this is like a lock. 4 pods, they're air trackers. I've been working on downsizing, so when I travel to this next country, I'm just carrying my backpack, 3 pairs of pants, 4 or 5 different shirts, my undergarments, and I would still have room. And then here's a back side, the very back, here's another pocket. Like, I love this backpack. And what makes me love it even more, as I'm traveling, I can still charge my phone, or I can charge my power bank. It falls into that. Downsizing my makeup, my skincare, like going to things that's like simple, because I'm trying to work on making everything where it's just like simple, like, and not like buying like 50 products of makeup and skincare. So when I make my beach content, a little case where you put your phone inside. I don't want your phone to get wet. What's in this one? Oh, here's my other one. I got stuff all over the place, y'all. I got 2 different brands because I'm not sure, like, if this doesn't work, this one have like 3 different things, and if they don't work, this one should work. These are for my shoes. I don't want to give it away. I want to wait until I get to the airport and be like, hey guys, I'm going to this country. I honestly put 3 different pairs in one bag and call it a day. 2020 really humbled me because I feel like less is more. It really taught me that I don't need to have A through Z to feel successful, to feel beautiful. I do want to move to this country, but I'm testing it first to see if it's the right fit for me. I don't want to say I'm moving there and then I move right back to the US. I don't know, you guys. I don't have the answers until I get there, but I just want to share this journey with you guys. I want to document my life. This is just from my experience. Do something that's healing, that brings you joy, because whatever you don't heal from, whatever you don't take the time to reflect on and try to grow from, it's gonna follow you. I like to connect with nature, get in my journal and just writing things down of how I feel, where I'm at mentally, where I want to go, or where I think I'm headed. That to me is peaceful. But you woke up today, you're in your right mind. I have to speak life into myself, getting over my childhood trauma, because if I start this new journey, it's going to follow me. I have to cut it off. So that's why that video, me saying preparing my leave, it says in the little subtitles, this is where I go to release my trauma and pain. I'm still working on it, because now that ever since I made that video, things were good. When I came back from my trip from the Bahamas, it's like, it feels like a war zone out here. Like, what happened? I've only been gone for 3 days. It's time for me to pour into myself. Get all those years back that I did for other people and put it into myself, because I love myself too much to lose myself. I like to share this new journey with you guys, so make sure that you stay tuned in. I hope that my story inspires you. It also be entertaining enough for you to stay and hit that subscribe button. So yeah, you buy clothes, always wash them. So I'm gonna wash those. I was gonna put hair products in this, but I might consider just trying their products instead. So I have my hygiene products in this side. Like I said before, I'm still working on downsizing, so these are my hair products. Obviously, I'm not gonna be able to take something like this because it's full size, so Debating if I should go to the store and find a hairline that comes in a mini set, or go, once I go to that country, just try out what they have. My new updated skincare routine now. So cleanser, exfoliate, serum, moisturizer, eye cream, sunscreen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. And then this is my new makeup routine. My clothes are currently in the washer, and I'm still, like I said, I'm still downsizing. I'm gonna sort out which clothes I'm gonna take with me and clothes to donate as well, because I just feel like less is more. I don't want to carry a suitcase with me because I want to carry light. If I need to rush and leave, I want to be able to do that without thinking like, oh, I need to get my suitcase, I need to do this, I need to bring my, like, no, I just want to bring my backpack with me. And plus, I don't want to bring a lot of clothes with me. Since I've never been to this country before, they might have better clothes options, or what if the clothes I bring with me doesn't match with their weather? I can buy new clothes there. That's just how I think. So yeah, I just want to show y'all, like, I took everything out so y'all can see everything from this angle. Yeah. I'm so proud of myself, you guys. Like, I'm so, my emotions are all over the place, you guys, because again, I'm traveling by myself. I'm still sorting out my shoes. I'm not for sure which shoes I'm gonna take with me or to donate, but yeah, just laying everything out, still sorting things, still downsizing, still doing research. I'm so proud of myself. I'm doing this alone, and it's so much that's going on behind the scenes just so I can make this a successful trip, and I'm just proud of myself. Like, I don't know, you guys. I'm so happy. I'm so happy I'm doing this for myself. As it's like, I'm not moving to another city. I'm not moving to another state. I'm moving to a whole different country, you know? And I'm testing it out. I think I'm gonna be there for 3 months to test it out, to see if it's a good fit for me or not. And if I like it, decide to, you know, of course, stay there. But I want to at least stay there for 3 months to get a great feel of it, to see if it's a place to plant my seeds and call home. My time here in the U.S. been expired, and I don't want to live here any longer. So I'm about to go print out a map, because let's say that the country I go to, it doesn't work out. What's the next country I can visit? So I have my shoes, makeup, skincare, hair. Well, I might try the products in that country. Clothes are in the washer. Set up audio payments, print out my map, get a planner. I think I should save that for another video. Yeah, I think I should do that. All right, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.